Hey, we're making stir-fried rice. We got all the stuff ready to go. Quick tip for making good stir-fried rice is you make it ahead of time, put it in the fridge, overnight or for at least a couple hours so it gets cold and it absorbs its water and it gets all mush, and then it cooks better. Just trust me. That's what the doctor said, at least. And then we got, the other ingredients, and we're gonna hop on this train of cooking. Alright, first step obviously is cook the brown rice and leave it in the fridge for, let it chill for a while. Then the second step is you're gonna heat up some oil. We're gonna toss in some carrots, some onion, some garlic, just some standard veggies for doing with good to cooking with kitchen. All right, while that's cooking, we're gonna get started on a little Asian sauce that we're gonna sauce the rice and such with momentarily. So let's just get to it. 1.5 tablespoons of tamari, or soy sauce if you're basic, but tamari is just better. Trust me on that one. 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. 1 teaspoon of sriracha or similar sauce, some sort of chili sauce. And then just a chunk of Thai, red curry paste or something. After a few minutes, you're going to want to add the garlic in, and you're going to want to add some of this Asian seasoning. And we got our sauce all ready to go. Then you're going to want to toss the fried rice in the pan, put the veggies on the side, give it a little stir. Then we're going to take our sauce that we made together as a team and just kind of get it all in there. Toss in your veggies, some peas. We got some scallions, some green onions, whatever you like to call them. Come on. Fix that in post. Grab some spinacio here. As you know, you can take a whole handful like this, and it'll just disappear in a matter of minutes. Might as well just use the whole bag, because we'll end up with 3 morsels.